What's going on, guys? Well, we're out here in Oklahoma. Got my buddies with me, got Leo, we got Tony.
Woo, guys, you don't know how excited I am to be able to get on this bike and ride. It's been a long couple of weeks at work, so I'm just excited to be able to get away. Well, anyway, we're out here in the Wichita Mountains. I've been out here once a few years ago with a buddy of mine, and I wanted to always come back. I wanted to come back on a motorcycle, so here I am. Guys, let me take a moment to thank everybody who's subscribed, who's been watching my videos, man. I greatly appreciate it. And once again, the BMW community and the motorcycle community in general, man, you're always welcoming everybody with open arms. So I appreciate that. I want to make sure that I tell you guys thanks seriously. And if you're in the market from BMW or you've been thinking about it, then go ahead. And what I tell people, don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. You owe it to yourself. Be good to yourself, guys.
Well, that's all right. Well, guys, Wichita Mountains, man. If you are in the North Texas area, or you yourself live in Oklahoma, you need to get out here. And if you've been out here, spread the word. This is a beautiful area, man. I mean, you got bison here, you got elk, white-tailed deer. And what I love about this is, even though it's still within driving distance, it's not super crowded, you know? I mean, I think the biggest thing that you need to worry about is just the elements, you know? If you want to camp or you want to get a hotel in town in Lawton. Yeah, man, this bike, I was telling the guys the other day, telling them yesterday morning, I'm so glad I got this bike. It's so comfortable, you know? Look, I loved all the other bikes that I've had, but this is a different experience. It's a very unique experience, you know. Sometimes, you know, you ride a bike or you keep a second bike around just because it's a different vibe, it's a different feel, man. I definitely feel that when I get on this, man. It's very nice. Life is short, man. Did you guys hear about Robbie Knievel? Rest his soul, dude. I'm gonna tell you, when I was a kid, you know, I remember watching several of his jumps, but one in particular, man, it got me so excited. I went out there and, you know, built a ramp for myself and, you know, separated it about 2 or 3 feet and got my mountain bike and crashed. And the funny thing is, like, I remember crashing, it was daylight, and when I woke up, it's getting dark. So apparently I must have knocked myself unconscious. Long story short, man, you know, the guy inspired so many people, inspired so many of us to ride. So I encourage you, if you don't know who I'm talking about, go ahead and check him out. His father, Evel Knievel, you know, he was a savage also. He was jumping Harleys, you know. I know that Robbie, I mean, he was on dirt bikes, dual sports, whatever you want to call them. So, yeah. Nice cattle here. Get your grub on. I understand. I'm hungry too. But yeah, man, this trip has been good. You know, I mean, wasn't the perfect time to come, but you know what? Motorcycle trip, motorcycle ride, it's always good. My personal opinion, sometimes you just got to get out there and push yourself. And that's what we did, man, and I believe we all had a good time. We'll check out Mount Scott before we head over to Lawton and make our way back down to Central Texas. Yeah, I want to say 18. He's so funny. Yeah, I want to say we'll get to, oh hey doggies, I want to say we'll get to like 21. I think it's at least 2,000 if I'm not mistaken. See, doesn't this want to make you move to Lawton, Oklahoma? You got this in your backyard, and I mean literally. Everything the light touches is within our kingdom. Dude, a ramp, man. Oh, evil. Yeah, Evel Knievel. How you doing now? Be careful. All right. Yeah. That's hilarious. Oh, look, guys. How funny. Everything the light touches is within our kingdom. You know what, guys? I'm gonna do it. I'm going to do it. Because I'm a diva. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm a diva. I'm a diva in black. I almost want to volunteer and take a picture for them guys. They're bikers. You know what I mean? Hey, bud. You two want a picture? Okay. All right. Okay. Y'all want in front of the bike, and y'all want one by the water too. You can do one by the bike in the background. Yeah, get closer. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3, cheese. One more. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay, I tried. Y'all have a good one. Oh, well, that right there doesn't look like much, but it's where we're going. Yeah, I guess so. But see, unlike Enchanted Rock, you can actually come here and not have to wait in the line, or you can camp close to this and just come back. You know, like the times I've went to Enchanted Rock, dude, it's been so busy. You know. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta stop. This bison.